it's Katie, and it's been a minute since I sat down and filmed a video, so today's video is going to be a recent Taylor Swift merch haul, of course, because I've been buying a lot and I can't stop. Also, you probably heard, but on May 30th, Taylor bought back all of her masters, and I just want to say I am so ecstatic for her. I'm so happy. It's been a long time coming. She deserves it. Listening to all of her OG work is just so nostalgic now, and I can't stop thinking about it. So let's just jump right into the haul. We're going to start out with clothing items. I'm going to start out with non-official Taylor merch, which is what I'm wearing, and this is from Rose Blush Studios. This sweater is so soft, I guess crew neck. It is a maroon color. It says hold on to the memories, they will hold on to you. Little friendship bracelet. I love this so much. Of course, I had to get a rep lyric, so highly recommend checking them out. Then we have a red t-shirt. Speaking of red, this is a red t-shirt that I got one when I went to the Red Tour when I was younger. I have no idea where that t-shirt went, so I got a replacement. This is mainly for like nostalgia purposes. This is a size medium, and it's kind of like a jersey style. It says red on the front, it's a v-neck, and then Taylor Swift on the back with 13. I just think this is so cute, and again, mainly for nostalgia purposes. Next up, I want to give away and got two t-shirts from Taylor's site. The first one, of course, is a Reputation shirt. I feel like I have a lot of rep merch, but I also don't. But this is the Don't Blame Me from one of her more recent collections. I love the front. It's so cute. Obviously, okay, there's nothing on the back, so like the front's the cutest part. But I love her Rep Tour outfit and the lyrics around her. It's so cute. The neckline is a little tight and it's a little long like some of her t-shirts are, but that's okay. And I got this in the size small. It's just super cute. Then I got probably one of my favorite t-shirts from her store ever. It actually isn't that long. It fits perfectly and it's so comfy. The material is amazing. This is also a size small, the Torture Poets Department Anthology. So it has that on the front. And it's very minimal. I love that. Then on the back, we have Taylor, and I just think she looks so gorgeous in this photo. And again, I love the material of this shirt. Next up, we have the Folklore Film Strip crew neck, and I actually got this on Depop for under retail because sometimes her sweatshirts can get really pricey, but I love this so much. I do not have a lot of wearable folklore merch. I mainly just have the cardigans, and I'm trying to collect every era at least one wearable merch, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is just so cute. I love the photo strip. And then on the side it says the Folklore album, or I guess on the sleeve. And is there anything on the other sleeve? I don't think so. And then on the back we have the little folklore stars. That is just so cute and such a cute detail. These feel embroidered or patches. I'm not really sure which one. But it looks like that on the inside. But yeah, this is super soft, and I got this in a size small, so it was a little bit oversized. Last in the clothing department, we have this Welcome to New York crew neck, and of course, I first wanted it when it came out, and then I didn't buy it, and then it sold out of my size, so I got this resale, and I actually got it again for under retail value, so that's perfect. This is a size extra small. It is a little oversized, but it is so comfy, and I love how it looks different from all of my other crew necks. You can see the v-neck collar, and I just love how the collar kind of matches the bottom and the sleeves, and it just says Welcome to New York with some lyrics and then 1989 Taylor's version. I think this is so cute, and I'm excited to style this. I think it'll be great for like throwing on over the summer because it's this light color, and I love it so much. Now, as much as I love buying clothes, I love buying stuff more, so I'm going to show you everything that I got. First off, we have the debut Taylor Swift holographic guitar picks. I've been wanting these for a long time. I found these on eBay for a really good price, I feel, for resale, and they came sealed. Of course, I opened them because I don't really leave anything sealed. And it comes with this cutie note from Taylor. I'm trying to get it out. Okay, it comes with this cutie note from Taylor, and this is the front, and then look how cute this poster is. I mean, like 80% of the reason why I got these guitar picks is for this little poster. It's so adorable. I love it so much. So yeah, there's that. This is what the guitar picks look like, and I'll show obviously a better video of this, but these are so cute and they're so fun and a really awesome keepsake. I honestly think we can go a little bit in era order of the things that I have. So the next era is Fearless. I got this Journey to Fearless DVD sealed from Half Price Books for such a great deal, and then I got 50% off. I am so excited. I haven't opened this yet. I know you can find this probably on Amazon or eBay, but something about finding Taylor Swift merch in the wild is just a little bit more fun for me. But I'm so excited to own this, and then I'll have to figure out a way to get the 1989 World Tour and the Reputation World Tour on DVD, and hopefully she comes out with the Eras World Tour. Speaking of world tours, our next era is Speak Now, and we have the Speak Now World Tour Live CD. Now, there are a ton of different CD variants, and I don't know the names of any of them, so I'll just put it here. But this is the cover, and it's so pretty. I just listened to this. It is incredible to just reminisce and hear Speak Now live with Taylor's baby voice. This has the DVD version and the CD version. This CD is so cool. I couldn't figure out how to open it, but it opens in the middle. And that's the DVD. I'm just so excited to own this. Again, a lot of things I get are for nostalgic purposes, because now that I have adult money, I just kind of buy what I didn't buy when I was younger. But yeah, this is so cool, and I haven't played the DVD yet, but I will need to do that. And then with her Speak Now stuff, a lot of them are textured, so this has a textured cover, which I think is really cool. And then on the inside, we have, of course, World Tour photos, which I love looking at. Next for Speak Now, we have the Speak Now Release Week book. I've been looking for this for a very long time. It is so expensive on a lot of resale sites because you don't really see many of these, but I got this off of eBay, shipped from Japan. So it was still a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but less than I would have paid if I bought it off like Mercari or something. But I love this so much. It just kind of like gives you a sneak peek into Speak Now Release Week, and it has so many photos. And I'm just so happy to own this because I've been looking for it for a long time, and nothing's more satisfying when you get your ISO that you've been wanting. Next we have the Speak Now Wonderstruck tote bag. I've been wanting this. It's a little like stiff, like as you can see it's kind of like still shaped the way it was packaged when I bought it resale. But this is so cute. I love the purple. I love how subtle Taylor it is, and I just think it's adorable. It also came with a tag. I have used this, so I don't really know where the tag is, but we have a button clasp metal magnetic thing, and it's very spacious, so you can hold a lot of stuff in it. And I'm just very excited to finally own a Wonderstruck bag. I also kind of want the Wonderstruck purse as well, but that is still a hunt. I just don't know how like often I would use that purse, but I just think it's so cutie. Onto the red era. I finally got the red CD. This is the deluxe version, so it has more bonus tracks on it. I originally had a red CD OG version for the longest time, and then I misplaced it. It got lost, got broken, so I haven't had one, and everyone's always asked me like, oh, why don't I have a red OG version? But now I do. So my collection is almost complete. I still need Beautiful Eyes. But this is what it looks like, and the back. And of course we have the bonus track. So The Moment I Knew, Come Back, Be Here, Girl at Home, Treacherous original demo recording, Red original demo recording, and State of Grace acoustic recording. So this is what the inside looks like. And again, I could not figure out how to open the second CD because there are two CDs in here. But of course, it's in the middle, like that. But this is what it looks like, and this is the deluxe, like, bonus track area. But I'm just super excited to finally own red, and I got this bundled with the Speak Now one, so it was only like $20, so I think it's definitely worth it. We're skipping ahead to the Lover era. We have the Lover Me 7-inch vinyl. So I said I don't like to keep things sealed, but this baby has been sealed. I got this from a Swiftie mutual on Twitter, and it was only like $60, so I'm so thankful and grateful. I have been wanting a Me 7-inch vinyl. I also really want one of the Cardigan single vinyls, but those are really expensive too. But this is like my favorite cover, and it's just so perfect, so I'm kind of afraid to unseal it and play it. Not that I'm gonna resell it all, but I might have to open it someday. Now, I'm a little embarrassed to say, but I never owned the Lover journals. They were a little expensive for me, but I finally found them for $20 for all 3 of them, and I think they're like $17, $18 for just one of them sealed. They're in perfect condition, these 2, and then number 1 is a little beat up, but honestly, I really don't care. I'm super excited to read these. I'm a little behind, I realize that, but I'm really excited to own them. This one doesn't have the CD, but that's fine because I already own like 3 Lovers, and then this one comes with the CD. This is version 2. And then obviously all the paper is unused. And then we have version 4. So I'm just missing 3, and I know you can get it at Target, so maybe I'll wait for a sale or buy it resale. But I'm all about saving money. But this is number 4. Of course, I had to include another artist other than Taylor at the end of the video. So we have the new Miley Cyrus album. It is her first signed albums, I think. So I'm super excited to own this. This is the CD for Something Beautiful. The cover is gorgeous. The CD is gorgeous. It's like reflective, which I think is cute. The book, gorgeous. Then we have the vinyl, and I was lucky enough, thanks to my friend Bree, she notified me about when the restock came because I originally missed the first one. So I got the signed Miley vinyl, and I'm so excited. They are the same picture, but that's totally okay with me. I love it so much, and I can't wait to play it. And I believe the color of this vinyl, the signed one, is like a tealish sea glass color. I think it's so gorgeous. Look at that. That's so pretty. And if you hold it up to the light, it's like very teal. Love it. But yeah, I'm super excited to be playing this album and to own my first signed Miley. So that's all for my long haul of Taylor merch that I've recently gotten in the past few months. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other videos you want to see, or I'll just keep doing hauls because I just keep buying stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.